Is your VW Arteon or Passat B8 key fob not working? A dead CR232 battery is the most common culprit. First, confirm the issue isn't a software glitch or recall. Check VW's website. Gather a flathead screwdriver and a new CR232 battery, 3 volts. To open the fob, locate the small slot on the edge. For Arteon's side, Passat B8 similar may have a hidden release. Insert the screwdriver and gently pry to release the clips. Be careful to avoid cracking the plastic. With the fob open, carefully remove the old battery using the screwdriver. Note the orientation, positive side up, before discarding. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the case back together until it clicks. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons near your car. If it still doesn't work, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean gently if needed. If problems persist after cleaning and a new battery, the fob may require dealer reprogramming, which typically costs $50 to $100.